Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to see which version of Windows do I have. So first of all, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Hover over the gear icon. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the settings options like system, devices, mobile devices, etc. Simply click on the option system. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the system interface. In the system interface too, you'll be able to find various options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the option for display, sound, notifications and actions, focus assist, etc. Scroll down in this interface. At last, you'll be able to find the option for about. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the about interface. You'll be able to find various information about your PC over here. You'll be able to find the information like installed RAM, processor, graphics card, storage, etc. Scroll down in this interface. You'll also be able to see the device specifications over here. Now you'll also be able to find the section for Windows specification. You'll be able to find the option for edition, version, installed on, OS build over here. So at second, you'll be able to find the option for version. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the version you have. So like this, you'll be able to see the version you have on Windows. So that is how you see which version of Windows do you have. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.